Good morning, my lovelies. Why can't I wake up to my alarm clock? I had it set for 7 a.m. It's 9:10 a.m. and I've got to be to work at 9:45. I set my phone alarm and my tablet alarm, and neither one of them worked. I even switched up what the tone was. So I have a feeling I'm going to have to buy an actual alarm clock or something. If you guys have ideas, throw them down below in the comments, because I need something. But yes, I actually got some sleep last night, so yay. I get my bug back at 5:45 tonight. Yay! And I have a friend of mine taking me to work today, so I don't even have to fuck with a cat. I made me some coffee. Bear with me. Oops. So, work till 5:45 tonight. Come home. Figure out what dinner is. Thinking about doing breakfast burritos because I picked up some sausage last night. And I like breakfast burritos. So, yeah, just work, and come home. Yeah, I know. So special of a day. More later. Thankfully, work is not as crazy as it was yesterday. It's still busy, but that's because of the 4th of July weekend. But not crazy. I can handle it. Oh, and people are opening up the wrong doors, setting off the alarms. Yay! Happens every day. As you already know, I'm only here till 5:45, so when I get home tonight, I'm going to cook up some dinner. I'm actually thinking about doing some pizza that I picked up last night. It was on discount, so had to get it. And then I'm going to finish cleaning up the house. You guys will get to see the Liam bug, so he'll probably help me clean house a little bit. But that's where we're at right now. Nothing too special. See you later. Finally made it home, and we are introducing Liam to the fine art of cherries. Are they good? Are they good? Yeah. Spit out the pit. Spit out the pit. Good job! Yay, Liam! Get another one. I think he likes them. But we're gonna kick back. I'm gonna probably make him something for dinner, so we have some cherries for dessert, and just kick back for the rest of the night. Alright. Bug is asleep. I'm sitting here vegging on YouTube. Figured I'd wrap it up for the night so I could post it. pretty good day all in all. I did really good at work, so that's a plus. I got tomorrow to contend with, which is probably going to be really busy because Sundays always are really busy. And then Monday the 4th, I have to work, I have to close. And then most likely Liam and I are going to a fireworks show down at the park. But I think I have Tuesday off. I hope so. But everything's pretty cool today. I enjoyed it. Much love.